So today I've done a little bit of a kitchen raid. So I just checked all these cupboards of all the available ingredients, because sometimes you're not bothered going out during winter time, right? So when the roads are icy, just what can I do? So I decided to make something easy today. I found some pasta right over there, and some herbs de Provence, and some cayenne chili pepper, and we are going to make a tuna pasta with some marrow, okay, and sun-dried tomatoes. So it's very quick and easy. All you need to do is you need to have some salt and pepper, spices, a bit of olive oil, and that's it. So let's put our onions first. And then we add some salt. Let's season it with salt and pepper. And then adjust the seasoning later. By the way, we're putting salt with your onions because salt helps in releasing the flavors to your oil. And then we're using some dried herbs de Provence. You can just use thyme or basil, but I decided to use this because this is what's available in the cupboard. So you add a little bit of that. Because you're using dry ingredients, it has to be placed at the start of the cooking. Okay, when you're using fresh, you add it last. Okay, and then some garlic. And your sun-dried tomatoes. Next we add our cubed marrow. So just saute this for about 5 minutes until your marrow has become soft. You don't want to overcook it. You need a little bit of a bite. It's looking great. Let's try one piece. I think it's ready. Now you add your chunks of tuna. Right, so after adding your tuna, let's add a bit of cayenne pepper for color. And toss in your cooked pasta. Ooh. It smells so good. It smells really good. Right, so once you toss your pasta, everything has been mixed well. This should be one massive serving. Look at that. This is our kitchen raid recipe for today. Tuna pasta with sun-dried tomatoes and marrow.